Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Alternator 254. Tune in for another one. Like I told y'all last time, I'm waiting on some discs. Got 10 of them things. Another wheel. Like I said, pretty much a lot of that stuff is already taken care of. But there are still some spots that need a little bit of attention. And then we did get our blower here in, and I threw one of my batteries on it, and yeah, so shout out to Cortez for the idea. So apparently it works. I mean, it don't do nothing but do that anyway. So, and we take some of that strain off of the compressor, like Cortez was saying. So, like I said, shout out to my boy for that. Very dusty, so let me get this popping, and then I'll cut y'all back on. And so we're here in the Chevy, and y'all know we was having some issues. Thought we had an issue with the alternator, and I think it's back, bitches. I think it is back. Turn the key on. Alright, so with the car on, it's set at like 11 volts. No codes popped up, whatever. Which I wasn't expecting it to, but since this code reader has the joint to test the battery, I said, you know, why not? Give it a shot. I'm gonna tell you that I already know that it's probably bad because the car running. As with the car running, like 11 volts. So I just need to confirm what I already know, and then I thought it'd be a good chance to make a battery, or make a video, make a battery. That's funny. Alright, so let's go menu, system, check, yes. Okay, not that. Back. Exits. There you go. So battery alternator test. We're gonna do alternator test. Engine needs to be running at normal temperature to begin this test. Start engine, turn on your headlights. Alright, so we're gonna turn the headlights on. You know what it is, boy. Them Rainbow Suns. Them Rainbow Suns, my boy. Alright, so we're gonna go continue. Oh my god. Oh my god. It should be higher than that, even at idle. Alright, so increase the engine speed above 2,000. Checking. Charging voltage is under the acceptable limit. This could cause damage to the battery or other electrical components. Inspect the charging system for faulty components or have it inspected at a certified repair facility. Lucky for me, the certified repair facility is right here, my boy. Is right here. So, I guess a little backstory, because we did do the swap from the jump, so we know the history of everything. You know what I'm saying? It's not a car that somebody sold us and was like, oh yeah, man, the battery good, and woody woody woo. That wasn't the case. This is a junkyard alternator. So how long have I had this car? Since we moved here, I was 16, so 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. That's been like 6-7 years or whatever. So, time for an alternator. It's time for an alternator. It's time for an alternator. Boom, chicka, 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 boom. Yeah, like, cause it did not exceed. It didn't go over like 9 or 10 volts. And that's crazy because it's supposed to be like 13, 5, 14 or something. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, and other news, it's in the birthday suit. Patrice is in the birthday suit. Got it all stripped down. Maybe we should just put some silver on it. Put some clear coat on that bitch and call it the Silver Surfer. That would be interesting, but yeah. So we're gonna make sure that we got an alternator for this bad boy and go from there. And then that should take care of any electrical issues that we may have or be having in the future, etc., etc. So. Back then, I was not the plug. These days, I am the plug. So it ain't nothing to go get an alternator from the job. Yeah, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna loosen we're gonna take the belt off. First of all, the belt is gonna come off. 2 bolts are gonna remove the alternator, and yeah, that's about it. That's about it. Take that off, put the new one in. Bada bing, bada bang, bada boom. It's done. So cut you back on when we do that. There. I'm back again. Probably kind of hard to see from the start, but so the video, alternator tested good, but I still went ahead and I bought a new one, so I could just have that peace of mind on there. Just one less thing you gotta worry about. Yeah, that's that. So I'm gonna find my keys and then we're gonna crank the bitch up and we're gonna see if it make a difference. There was like a slight voltage difference, but not a lot. So I don't know what the hell my neighbors be doing. See how they got their damn cars parked? Just drugs is bad, man. Drugs is bad. I don't know if they on drugs, but that shit, you gotta admit, is weird as fuck. So, do with that info what you will. Anyway, so they got them keys. Let's see what we gonna do. I kinda got a feeling it's gonna do the same thing, so I'm gonna have to go back and probably test the fucking connections. Check the wiring and shit, man. Like, make sure the grounds is grounded, etc. ABC 1, 2, 3 XYZ, all that shit. I don't know why that would. The hitting the brake light shouldn't limit that before. So I don't know, man. That shit should be reading. Let me get a damn multimeter. So I mean, it might just be that gauge, honestly. Negative to negative, positive to positive. I don't know, like never before did we doubt it, and now it's at 12.3, but you're still too low for when the damn truck is running. like it's not charging. Alright, so y'all seen it was just on fucking 10 or 12. Now if I go back across the battery, let's say 14. So we're gonna double check the connections and go from there. Now inside, even on the gauge, yeah, so now it's reading like it should. Maybe it's just a loose connection. It happens. It happens.